Hi, my name is Miss Pat, and I'm a teacher for the Boone County Conservation District. And today we are going to talk about living versus non-living things. Okay, so here is our chart. We're going to make a little chart and we're going to divide several things into living or non-living. So the first one I have is a rubber duck. Is a rubber duck living or non-living? If you said non-living, you would be correct. So let's put him over here. And my next picture is a cardinal. Is the cardinal living or non-living? The cardinal is a living organism. So that goes right here. How about a violet? That's a plant. Is it living or non-living? It would be a living organism. You are correct. And the last one is a cell phone. Is that living or non-living? It is a non-living thing. So it goes over here. And see, I'm sure that you got all of those correct. So you already know a lot about living versus non-living. But if you really want to decide, because some things it'll be harder than these. If something is living or something is non-living, there are some questions that you can ask yourself. There are 5 questions, and here's what they are. So first, you have to ask yourself, does it grow and change? All living things grow and change. When this cardinal was a baby, it didn't look like this. It was a little tiny chick. And this plant was just a little tiny slip. Now, does a rubber duck ever grow and change? No, it will always stay like that. The same way with a cell phone. Does it reproduce? Will you ever have baby rubber ducks? No. The only way to get another rubber duck is to go to the store and buy one. But birds and plants reproduce, either by having babies or by seeds. Does it move by itself? Well, you know that birds move because they fly, and plants even move too. But this rubber duck never moves unless you move him around, and the same way with that cell phone. Does it need food and water? All living things need water. And all living things need food or energy of some sort. So does it need food or water? Does the duck need to eat anything? No. And does it breathe? All living things breathe. Okay, so now I have 2 more living things versus non-living things. I have Steve McQueen here, and we'll see how well he behaves. And I have Freckles. Now, which of these 2 things is living or non-living? Well, if you picked Freckles as non-living, you would be correct. And Steve McQueen here is living. So Freckles, even though he's really cute and I really like him, he will never grow and change. He's always going to look like this. He's never going to change. He's been this way for 15 years. So he's just like this. Are there ever going to be any more little Freckles stuffed animals coming around here? No. And it doesn't move by itself. I have to move it. And he doesn't breathe. And he doesn't need any food or water. So Freckles is non-living. Okay. But Steve McQueen here, there he goes. He is a living thing. He is a cat, obviously, is a cat. He's a living cat. He grows and changes. When I got him, he was a little tiny kitty and he fit in both my hands. He also bites when he is annoyed, and he's getting annoyed. So we'll have to hurry up here. He moves, obviously, because he just moved. Cats reproduce. They have kittens, so he does that. He breathes, and he does need food and water. He drinks lots of water, and if I pick him up, you can see that he's plenty chubby, and he likes his food. So he is very good. And so he is a living organism.